Okay, so hey guys, Shamar Crossfield here. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to see who are my true friends. Yeah, like honestly, have you guys ever wondered how much your friends actually know about you? Like what it is that they know, if they know anything at all. Could they be able to even pass a little simple quiz, a little simple best friend test, you know, them little quiz there? Well, in today's video, that's basically what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be creating it, and then I'm going to send it out to some of my contacts, some people are considered my closest friends, and we're going to see who can get the highest score out of all of them. But honestly, there's kind of no credibility in these things. These are two tests. They're just purely for fun, honestly, and that's the intention of this video, you know, just for fun. It's not serious if like people who I would consider to be higher up than others get the higher grade than the ones who I'd expect, you know. It's nothing like that. It's just something fun and something that I think would be kind of entertaining and just a nice little experiment to see how much my friends really know about me. So yeah, let's just start creating the quiz. Let's start screen recording. Alright, so yeah guys, we're up and running. We're gonna just open up Safari, type in best friend quiz creator. Ooh, Marco uploaded. I actually did some of these already. I think I'll use mate quiz. Quiz your mate. Okay, alright. It's not an exam, so don't debate too long, blah blah blah. If someone gets all answers right, they will score 9 points. I don't know, let's see how this works. So my name is Shamar, male. Next. What's Shamar's favorite school subject? I guess this is a pretty easy one. So they have English, math, music, history, art, physical education. You know, I'm going to change PE to geography and art to law. Yeah, because I do law and I do geography as well, but out of the two, geography has been known to be my favorite. Next, alright, what food does Shamar hate? It's crazy how I hate 3 out of 4 of these things right here. So I'm gonna change spinach to yogurt because I like yogurt. And I'm going to change broccoli to frankfurters. So I'm gonna change that to that, and my answer would be tomatoes because I hate tomatoes. What's Shamar's favorite season? My favorite season? Ooh, I have to say summer. I think yeah, summer is a pretty easy one to guess. Like if you're guessing any favorite season, I think anybody can just go ahead and like just guess summer. And the chances of them getting the correct are way up there. During which month is Shamar's birthday? They have to know that. In fact, I'm going to now. Do you think this is making it a little bit too easy for them? All of them will get it right anyways. What's Shamar's favorite sport? Football, volleyball, basketball, hockey, swimming. I'm gonna put badminton instead of swimming. No, instead of hockey, I'm gonna put badminton. Yeah, I'm gonna put that right there. What talent does Shamar have? Ooh, singing, dancing, drawing. Alright, so I'm gonna put drawing to editing. Wait, no, I'm gonna put dancing to editing. Then I'm going to take out singing as well, and instead I'm going to put what should I put instead of singing? Cooking. Some might choose cooking, but I would have to consider my talent is editing. I don't know if you guys can notice that in the videos that I make. I mean, I hope that you guys notice it. What is going on? Thank you. When Shamar is bored, what does he do? I'm gonna take out this one to I'll have to say go on YouTube. Watch YouTube videos. I hope I'm not making it easy. I'm gonna change reads a book to walk. Wait, I'm gonna goes for a walk. So which one is it that they would choose now? Because these are all things that I do, you know. So I guess this is where the twist would come in, because these are all things I do. I'm gonna put I'm gonna put goes for a walk. I'm pretty sure a lot of them are going to pick the YouTube one for obvious reasons. What type of movies does Shamar like? Horror, romance, science fiction, comedy, fantasy, thriller, comedy. It's there. So comedy is my favorite. And the last question, What's Shamar's favorite snack? Okay, out of all of these right here, M&M's are my favorite. So I'm gonna put M&M's. That's not really a snack, that's a candy. I don't know what I'm talking about. Your quiz is ready. Copy the link, send the link to your friends, and encourage them to take your quiz. Keyword encourage. So yeah, now that the quiz is created, I'm going to copy the link. Alright, so the link is copied, everything ready and set to go, and I gotta send it out to them. I kinda gave them the heads up that I would be sending them something. They don't know what it is yet, but I guess they figure it's going to be for a YouTube video. They're going to look out for it, and then I'll catch you guys back when I'm sending out the message. Alright guys, so it's 3 o'clock on the dot. If this thing could focus, yes, it's 3 o'clock. I already copied the link. Now we're gonna head over to my WhatsApp. So I think what I might do is I'm going to send it to one person first. Alright, so this is ready. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just like send them out like this, basically, as like, and then just forward them. I guess just forward them to the people who I want to send them to. So I'm gonna catch you guys back once I send them out to the different people. Alright guys, so I sent them out. So I just sent them out to the people. I think I sent them about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, 16, 17. I sent out 17 of them. I guess now we just have to wait. Some people are already opening up the forms, so we'll see how that goes. Alright, so far one person has already filled it out, guys. Shade just got 5. Oh, that's not bad, Shade got 5 out of 9. That's good. So we'll keep refreshing. Alright, Shara got 6. Alicia is now on the scoreboard with a whopping 7. Alright. Not gonna lie, this is pretty interesting and pretty exciting for me, you know. Hopefully at least 10 out of the 17 people that I sent it to will actually answer it, but you know, people stay with them something here, you know. So we'll see how it goes. I'll keep refreshing and I'll keep updating you guys. Oh, somebody answered right there. Shan, that's my friend Chanel with a whopping 8. Alright guys, so there we go. Shan is currently leading with a whopping 8 out of 9. We're gonna keep refreshing, guys. Currently there's somebody with 8 out of 9. Surprisingly high. I thought Alicia was going to remain at the top, but I guess not. They're saying that they didn't know that I like to walk. Well, I mean, I don't really walk all that often. Well, alright guys, so back with another update. We get one more. No, we get 2. We actually have 2 more replies. So we have nobody has currently knocked out Chanel out of the first place as yet. Not as yet. But this is what the scores are looking like. Kiana is at 5, Gabo is at 6, but Chanel still stands strong and mighty at number 1. Guys, we got some more replies, but the people them in the comments, them call me liar than all of these things. People, you guys saw, you know, when I created the quiz, and because they get it wrong. Anyways, let me show you guys what's happening. Alright, so currently, if it would focus, this is what's happening. Chanel is still at number 1. Alicia is second. Shara is third, followed by Roman, who I believe is Rohim. You guys probably know him. Chevy, and Rihanna and Ash. Chris, wow, look at that. What the? Wow, look at that. Rihanna and Ash at number. Wow, crazy. Anyways, I think this is probably all that I'm going to be getting, but I'll give it a couple more minutes and update you guys. Let me show you guys what's going on in the group chat right now, man. Shamar, did you tell them what the person with the most points will get? A video call? Wow, it's the group chat going crazy over them getting so much wrong from me. I don't understand. This is what's going on now, guys, and I think this is a good stance. I don't think anybody else is really going to passed Chanel. At this point, Chanel is sitting high and mighty at number 1 with 8. A whopping 8. So unless somebody can get 9, meaning unless no one can get anything wrong, I mean, it's looking like Chanel's gonna win. And honestly, the next thing is that I think it's like some prize, but honestly, I was just gonna like video call the winner and feature them on the channel, so I hope they're gonna be up for that. Alright guys, so it's been a couple minutes and I think I'm gonna end it off here because honestly I don't see anybody really passing Chanel right now. Chanel is still at 8 and I gave everyone the heads up already, so I think everybody who would be replying to it already replied to it. So I'm gonna now call up Chanel and see if she will even like answer. Hopefully she answers and appreciates the prize. So we're gonna call her up right now, guys. So before we call up Shan, these are the actual final results, guys. Some people replied like a day later, but at the top we have Shan, Sean, and Alicia. Didn't get to call Sean. And at the bottom we have Ronnie and Bailey with 3. Not sure what to say about that. Kind of contemplating disowning them as friends. Alright guys, so we have the winner right here. Chanel, what do you have to say?
I don't know how to feel right now.
You feel good? You didn't expect a different prize?
I mean, well, yeah, I wasn't expecting like anything else really. I mean, the course was alright, but I wasn't really thinking that you were serious.
No, I was serious. I was doing this for a video.
Okay.
Yeah, but maybe next time when we meet up again, I'll have a prize ready for you.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah, alright. Some M&Ms. Alright, Chanel. Later, yeah.
Alright.
Okay, guys. So the next person is Alicia. Alicia is the runner-up. Alicia, what you have to say?
After that was trash and that it was rigged.
Okay. So why you say it was rigged?
Because I'm just a question. Do you like eating tomatoes?
The question was which food does Shamar not like to eat?
I don't think I was very much fashion, so.
Yeah, you never know where you got. Alright. So.
Okay. I mean, congrats to Chanel. Yeah.
Everybody thought that Alicia was going to get the thing right, but apparently she doesn't know me very well.
Wow. Don't be soft.
I'll talk to you later.
Bye.
You don't know nothing. Anyways guys, this quiz can really let you know who your real friends are. So I'm going to link this quiz in the description. And remember, this was all just for jokes. You know, you can send it to some of your own friends and let them try it out as well, and you can see how much they know about you. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Shamar Crossfield. Anyways guys, that's been it. Shamar Crossfield. Oh, anyways guys.